Okay, so I am like actually absolutely not ready for the day. I'll see the hot Cheeto dust on my lips. I'm not even gonna lie, that is hot Cheeto dust. Like, I'm not gonna lie to nobody. I'm not gonna sit here. I woke up last night in the middle. Oh my god, no. I woke up in the middle of the night last night. I want to say at like 3, and I was like, dude, I really want hot Cheetos right now. And that's exactly what I did. I ate like 10 Cheetos and went back to sleep. I have a really bad habit of doing that, like waking up in the middle of the night, like eating something random and going back to sleep. Like, for what? I have 2 classes today. My first one is 20th century designers at 12, and then my second one is English composition at 3:30. So 20th century designers is basically like a history class. That is the one class I cannot focus in, guys. Like, I swear to you, that class is my only class where it's like notes, quiz, and that's my whole existence in that class. And I don't have the attention span for notes for 3 hours, you know what I mean? I asked you guys to ask me questions, and I'm reading them right now, and they're just all about my sex life. I am Middle Eastern, like I am Egyptian, y'all. Like, my family gonna disown me if I answer these questions, so I'm kind of considering going late. But no, I won't, I guess. Actually, I had a midterm in that class last week, and I thought I ate. I thought I did so bad, but I got an A, guys, and I don't know how I managed to do that, because I swear to you, I guessed for like 2 sections. I was like, it's up to God at this point. It's in the hand of God and the universe. I got nothing to do with this. My intuition. Guys, you want to see a little DIY hack? I don't really know if it's a hack. When I can't find my scissors, I take nail clippers and I do that. But now that I'm thinking about it, to most people, you probably have more scissors laying around than nail clippers, so I don't know. I don't know. I think these look weird. I don't think they go together. I don't know how I feel about that. These are the sweatpants. Fuck it, we will. I don't really care that much. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start a little bit of my makeup and get back because I'm literally wasting so much. Okay, sorry, y'all. I had to put in some speedy work real quick. But let me look at the questions now and see if y'all got better. Oh my god, there's not. I'm coming out of my nose. Who's someone you personally know that you're jealous of and why? I'm jealous of my sister because she has a fat ass. She was blessed with the ass genes. Life is hard when your sister is existing with a badonkadonk this big.
She always objectifies me.
How many boyfriends did you have? Okay, I think she's talking about my exes. Can we just say 0? Because in my head, I didn't date anyone. Like, I swear, I feel like every era of my life, I'm like a different person. So if you dated her, like, you didn't date me. Do you know what I mean? Like, we are not the same person. Also, the girl that you dated would not date you now. But I guess I would say I have 2 exes. But yeah, in my head, 0. No man has had access to me. I am nobody's ex. Also, I don't plan on getting in a relationship anytime soon. I know nobody like plans on it, but like, I don't know. It's not really my frame of mind. Like, why would I do that when... Let me introduce you guys to Laylo. My boyfriend. Girlfriend, actually. Me and GF. I think this is actually perfect because a lot of you guys were asking me about my sex life, and the simple answer is I just simply don't, because I don't think any men deserve me. So this is the Sela Cruise by Laylo, and this is why I don't have a sex life, because she does it for me. Sex toy beginners, this is the toy for you. And we need to break down the taboo of women talking about self-pleasure or pleasure in general. Growing up, I never really heard women talk about self-pleasure, and when they did, it was always like not classy or taboo or like, fuck that. Like, what do you mean? I also feel like it's best to explore your own body before exploring with other people. You can really go at your own pace and explore what you really like. You can play with the settings. This has like a cruise control feature actually, where it like doesn't get super intense, because I know a lot of vibrators are like it has like it's like a Tesla. It's like a Tesla vibrator. But yeah, this is really great. It really allows you to be in the moment, go at your own pace, pay attention to the sensations going through your body, really get to know yourself, girl. Introduce it to your partner. Try new things, because I know he's not satisfying you, girl. So bring it. Bring it next time. What is that man doing for you that Sela Cruz isn't? Nothing. Now let me let y'all in on a little secret. Laylo Sela Cruz here, my bestie. 20% off for the whole month of May. I want to say thank you to Laylo for sending me the Sela Cruz, and thank you for sponsoring this video. Not gonna lie, I was really excited when this deal came to me because I've never done anything talking about like sex or self-pleasure or anything like that, and I don't know why, I just kind of always had anxiety surrounding the topic because I used to be so family friendly. Obviously I'm not anymore. Like, yeah, it might be a sponsorship, but I also am like really passionate about this topic because I wish I was more educated on my body.
From iPhone.
That was rude. Anyways, I wish I was more educated on my body and what I like and what I don't like growing up. So the next question, what's the best thing a fan has said to you? I will never forget this moment. I will never forget this day. I think about this all the time. 2019 VidCon, I met this girl and we talked for like 15 minutes and she was telling me about how my videos pulled her out of like a really bad place. She told me that she attempted and that the only thing that got her like through the hospital and everything was watching my videos when she was there. And then I got a chance to meet her dad, and this man literally looked me in the eyeballs, like soul contact, and started tearing up, and he was like, you saved my daughter's life, like I swear she always talks about you, like you're the only reason she's still here. And I was like, okay, to hear it from a parent is like something else. It just struck like, but I literally will never forget that daughter and her dad. But oh my god, no, my makeup, don't fucking play with me, yo. Yeah, but yeah, I will never forget them. I hope they're doing well, and to the girl, if she still watches my videos, I fucking love you. Seeing him tear up and shit, yo, I was like, oh my god, like, oh my god. Actually, I have a horror story. I have a really bad story with a subscriber. I know nobody asked. I know that wasn't the question, but guys, sometimes I still think about this and I'm like, what the hell? It was New Year's and my mom was in the hospital. My mom has a lot of health issues, so especially at the time, she was like always at the fucking hospital. So it was New Year's and unfortunately she had to go to the hospital. So me and my sister were there with her, and I don't know why I started having like a whole existential crisis. I was like, oh my god, like my mom's gonna die, like blah, blah. So I go out to the lobby to like try to contain myself, and I'm having like this full-blown like sobbing panic attack, snot, tears, red eyes, like snot is drooling into my mouth, like there's snot falling onto my clothes, like whole breakdown. A daughter and his dad walk through the doors because I'm in the lobby, right? And then I see the girl like look at me and like recognize me and like say something to her dad, and I was like, oh no, like not right now, not right now. Like I love meeting people, but obviously like when you're crying and shitting and vomiting, like you don't want to meet anyone, you know? And then they start walking up to me and I'm like, no! They totally like disregard the fact that I'm like crying my soul out, and the dad goes, hey, I was just wondering if she could get a picture with you, like she really loves your videos. And she was just sitting there like I want to say the girl was in like 7th grade, and I didn't know what to do. The woman was too stunned to speak, and I couldn't stand up for myself at the time. I didn't know how to. Like I really wish I would have been like, bro, I am shitting crying right now, like what do you mean a picture? I ended up taking the picture, so somewhere out there's a picture with me. So oh my god, I really hope you didn't just see that snot. Somewhere out there is a picture of me with a girl, and I'm sobbing my eyes out, like she's like Kim Kardashian and I'm like diehard fan. Whole time I thought my mother was dying. And then that happened, I go back up to the room, I tell my sister, I'm like, what the fuck just happened? Like, and she's like, who? Where? What do you mean? But yeah, I was also like 16 or 17 at the time. But yeah, I think that was my best experience and worst experience. Like I still think about that day sometimes and I'm like, what? Like what? I think it just took me extra by surprise because it was like the dad that asked, you know? I could understand if it was the girl, like she was young, maybe she didn't have context clues, but the father, man, what the hell? I think I have to leave now. You know what movie I really want to watch today? Despicable Me. Okay, alarm, I'm up. Stop. I'm turning 19 this weekend on the 22nd. Life is so crazy. Life moves so fast, you guys. I swear, like, oh, I'm sick thinking about it. Like, how did this happen? Like, next year I'm gonna be 20, and it's really sad. It sucks because now when creepy men try to get at me, I can't be like, ew, weirdo. I'm a teenager. Weirdo. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I really have to take a shit right now, but I am gonna be late But you know what? I kind of was planning on being late, but I don't know. That teacher gives me like anxiety. I don't know if I should be late. Like I'm gonna walk in late and her eyes are gonna shoot lasers. She's like, no, she's actually a very sweet woman, you guys. She just takes her job very seriously, as she should. Good for her. If she does ask, I'm just gonna say I had to drop my cat off to get neutered. Don't lie, guys. Don't be like me. Lying is not good, but fuck, what am I gonna say? Oh, I needed to take a shit? Like what? So I just left my apartment and it's 12 o'clock. It's 12:05 right now. My class started at 12. I'm just not gonna go to Starbucks. I'm gonna be a little bit responsible. So since I'm not going to Starbucks, I'm bringing this jug with me. So my friend just texted me that they're starting a quiz. They did not say there was a quiz on Canvas. So I am taking that up with the president of the United States.
Dude, like, oh my god, like, can we talk about like the political and economic state of the world right now?
What the fuck? May I just ask you why? I'm not trying to argue or anything. Like, I'm just genuinely curious. Like, why did you need to kick him out?
Because there are a lot of people that like to use this parking lot as their own fun PlayStation.
So for context, I was arguing with this old white man, the security guard, who was taking his job way too seriously. Basically, I was going to charge my car, and my friend was following me from behind, but his car is just loud, so it's just... He wasn't like doing extra shit or nothing. His car is just loud. So he followed us all the way up on the bike, and my friend parks, and my friend is literally like about to get in my car and just like chill with me while I charge. Security guard rides up to my car and he's like, "You, were you the one making that noise? Get out!" Like what the like? Homie was parked. So yeah. No, like he just parked.
And
He's just
another
gonna
thing
sit with
too,
me, you know.
it annoys the residents that work here, and we're always getting calls.
For sure, I get that, but you know, he was just gonna park and come sit with me, so you know, so it seemed kind of unnecessary to me that you made him like leave, you know, because he wasn't treating it as a playground or a fun ground.
I understand that, but
also he's never been here.
Okay, I have to check out now the thing and make sure there's no tire marks and everything. I might have to take pictures, whatever. I don't know, but it's not good to be displaying. I mean, if he has a hard time too driving a manual, I think maybe he should. I grew up on manuals. I know how to drive manuals.
Oh,
so
sure.
that excuse that he gave me, he shouldn't be driving the man if he can't drive it that well, to tell you the truth. It's not the loudness. It was the squealing.
Personally, I just came over to talk to you because I was a little shook that you made him leave after parking, you know? Like, he wasn't like continuing, but yeah, like, I don't know. This was a little confused as to why, but alright. Thanks, Will. Have a good day.
I apologize, but you know, I try to take care of those things.
Yeah.
Because, like I said, there are too many people who like to treat this as their playground. Can't have it that way. Sorry.
The white man strikes again. So I always say I forget to record an outro, but I think at that point, like at this point, like that is my outro. I forgot to record an outro. I hate myself. But yeah, that was my day. Me and my friend just hung out for the rest of the day, and yeah, I didn't really vlog. I'm sorry. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was short. I'm sorry. I'm really busy right now. I have midterms and finals coming up, so just be patient with me. Just wait for this quarter to end, and I got y'all. I'm gonna feed y'all good, I promise. Okay, love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.